SMOKEY, 666, bitch.
We finna eat it just like this.
Yo, so current update on the Stagea. We have injector rail and injectors in, all the lines done up, fuel reg in, all the haltech wiring done, wide band sensor in, all the piping, intercooler piping's been fixed up, just gotta get a new coupler for there. Turbo's bolted in, manifold's bolted in, dumps bolted in. So now I've just got to do the dump back exhaust. What else? The wastegate ended up, the diaphragm was worn through, so Damon's running to grab a new gate now. So we're going to be running, it's only a 7-pound gate, so I'm going to throw in one of the 10-pound springs that's in that one. So we're going to be running 17, and hopefully the motor doesn't pop, but we'll see. So I'm about to pull the turbo off again, because it turns out I can't tighten up the last flange nut with the water fitting in. So I'm going to have to pull the turbo out, pull the fitting out, put it back in, tighten it up, put the fitting in, bolt everything back up. Yeah, it's good fun. And yeah, so we're going to have to do something about power steering, because it doesn't really like chilling there. It's just sort of like pumping out fluid, which is mint. But otherwise, everything is going somewhat smoothly. Today's just going to be basically, once I get that turbo sorted, just going to tidy everything up. Got the haltech in here. So it's dark as fuck, but you can see it's just a mess down there basically. The haltech's just chilling on the floor. So I'm going to try and mount that in the glove box somehow. And then, yeah, just work something out basically. But otherwise, it starts and runs, as you probably saw in the last video. Not the last video, the end of the last video. So yeah, it sounds like it might have like a back leak or something, but we'll cross that bridge. It could just be because I haven't programmed the air temp sensor in yet, but yeah, it's coming along.